bearing question. Is it bearing? And people are having problem with bearing question. It's very, very simple. So let us solve this bearing question and we see how it goes. The bearing question is very, very simple. Now, they gave us some things. They gave us some parameters that will help us in solving the question and to make it very, very simple. Okay? So in the question, they said in the diagram, PQ, you can see PQ here, is 8 meters and is short. PQ is 8 meters. Okay? QR is 30 meters. So this QR is 30 meters. The bearing of Q, which is this, from P. From is the owner of the bearing. Where is coming from? You can see 050 degrees. Where is coming from? Bearing of Q from P, and that's 50. And the bearing of R from Q is 130 degree. To say the bearing of R from Q, from is the owner of the bearing. So from Q is 130 degrees. So A, calculate correct to 3 significant figures. Roman figure 1, PR, that is PR, this line. B, the bearing of R from P, the bearing of R from P, that is here to here, that is the bearing of this line. So without further ado, let's take them one after the other. Now, calculate to 3 significant figures. PR, this line. How do we go about that? So let's go over it now. So calculate the bearing of PR. This is our PR. You can see our PR over here. This is our PR. Yeah. Okay. So, and in our PR, we have to calculate the bearing. So to calculate the bearing here, it means PR. It means the angle between here and here. From here to here is the bearing of R from P. But they say we should first of all calculate our PR. PR means the journey from here to here. How do we do that? Very simple. This is a triangle. We needed to calculate PR. This is PR. To do that, this is a triangle, and you know if you are having a right angle triangle, we are going to use SOHCAHTOA or Pythagoras theorem. But let's say maybe it's a right angle triangle. We needed this angle from here to here. How do we get that? We needed this A. How do we get the A? From here to here is 130. And from here to here is 50. Now, for us to get this A, we always use the method of alternate angles. Alternate angles. Look at this place. Okay. The angle here is also going to be the angle between here and here. But there is a method we can use. From this place to this place is 180. Here to here is 180. That's angle on a straight line. And they told us this is 130. To get our A, we believe that 130 degrees plus A degrees must be equal to 180. Okay? Must be equal to 180. Now, for it to be equal to 180, it means to get A. What are we doing now? We now say A is equal to 180, okay? 180 minus 130 degrees. So it means our A will be 180 minus 130, that will be 50. So it will be 50 degrees. When we take this away from 180, that will be 50. So it means from here to here is also 50. 50 plus 50, that gives us 100. That gives us 100. So that gives us 100 over there. So to solve this, what we have to do now is this. We have to say, use our cosine rule. Using the cosine rule says PR squared, which is this place, is equal to square of this and square of this. So it means 8 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 into 8 into 13 cos. Now, what is the angle facing here? That's cos 100 degrees. So from there, it means our PR squared will now give us 8 squared will be 64. Give us 64 plus 13 squared plus 13 squared. So let's look at it. 13 squared now, that's 30 times 13. What should it give to us? As somebody said 50 degree. Yes, you are correct. So 50 plus 50, that will be 100. I've said that. Okay. So 3 times 3, that should be 9. Okay. 3 times 1, that should be 3. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 1, that's 1. So that should be 9. That's 169. So it means this will give us 169. Okay. Minus 2 times 8, that will be 16. Multiply by 13. Okay. So going by that, we now have cos 100 degrees. If you have to calculate this, some students make mistake of saying we dey add this together and they now subtract this from it. Please don't make that mistake, please. Don't make that mistake. Remember that in board maths, multiplication is more powerful than addition and subtraction. So if you are adding this, you are still okay. So if you add this to this, somebody say 208, that's good. That's good, thank you. So 64 plus 169, that's 208. Now I want us to do this for me. So it means 16 times 13 cos 100. What should we get there, please? Somebody should do the calculation and put it in the comment section very fast. Let's be fast at it. 16 multiplied by 13 cos 100 degrees. What do you have there? Are we with calculator? Yeah. Are we with calculator? I'm expecting the comment section. Let's have it, please. Aha. Somebody got 36.118. So it means we now have 208 minus 36.118. Somebody press 208 cos 1. 16 times 13, is it giving us 208? Okay. Yeah. So 208 minus this, what do we get? 64 plus 169. That cannot give us 208, please. There's a mistake here. Let's check it very well. Okay. 6 plus 4, that should give us 3. Okay. So 6 plus 12 plus 1, 13. So 2, this is 233. This should be 233. Okay. So 233 minus 36.118. What should that give to us? I'm sorry, please. I need to get my calculator. People online are very slow. I need to get my calculator. I'll be back online very soon. Shortly, I'll be back online. So let me go off now, and I'll be back very shortly, please. Or can we be fast at it? I will leave now. I'll be back very shortly.